a dreamy glide over rows of giant Bengali sweets on glowing brass trays, floating in ethereal light. Beautifully, regal Rajbhogs swell majestically, revealing saffron-filled sweetness within, promising indulgence. Elegant glossy sweets reflect golden light, appearing as edible masterpieces.
Workers in clean uniforms gently attach modern milking machines, ensuring animal comfort.
Pristine white milk flows through clear pipes into gleaming, sterile steel containers.
Milking machines hum, blending with farm sounds. The soul of sweets from ethical farms.
Every milk drop is purity. Sleek, refrigerated tank trucks gleam at the farm's collection point.
Chilled milk is seamlessly pumped from sterile containers into sealed, temperature-controlled truck tanks.
Sweet Misti trucks drive away, traversing picturesque countryside roads through rolling green fields.
Trucks pass quaint villages, symbolizing the journey from pastoral origins to modern craftsmanship.
Trucks transport milk swiftly to Sweet Misti's plant under strict controls, precision winning against time. Sweet Misti facility, a symphony of modern stainless steel and advanced technology, impeccably clean. Sophisticated instruments test milk for purity, fat content, and richness, crucial for sweets.
Digital screens display perfect milk quality readings for protein levels and flavor profiles.
Intricate molecular analysis reveals scientific rigor behind milk purity. Only the finest is worthy.
Purity and composition ensure cherished sweets. Excellence is Sweet Misti's foundation.
Vast hall, enormous stainless steel boilers dominate. Pure milk gently heats to precise temperature.
Worker adds natural lemon essence to boiling milk, initiating the magical channa process. Milk separates into soft channa and clear whey. Workers gracefully stir the concoction.
Milk separation is mesmerizing alchemy. A magical, pivotal transformation unfolds.
Soft, silky channa forms the pristine core of Sweet Misti delights, raw purity taking shape. Warm, fragrant channa is poured into fine weave cloth filters, suspended over gleaming troughs. Clear whey drains in shining, continuous streams, leaving behind solid channa curds. Machines press channa into perfect, dense blocks, revealing pristine white, smooth texture.
Velvety channa, filtered with care and pressed with precision, awaits artistic transformation. Perfectly textured channa enters colossal, rotating mixers, awaiting artistic transformation.
Channa blends with sugar in mixers, creating a soft, pliable, uniform dough.
Robotic arms gracefully shape channa dough into perfectly spherical rasgollas with precision.
Skilled artisans handcraft intricate Rajbhog and chamcham shapes, preserving inherited artistry. Dough transforms into soft, uniform spheres and elegant shapes, meticulous craftsmanship evident. Sweets mixed and shaped by robotics or artisans take unique, delectable forms.
Delightful taste promise. Colossal cauldrons simmer with transparent, bubbling sugar syrup. Vibrant saffron threads gracefully fall into bubbling syrup, infusing exotic aroma.
Cardamom's aromatic notes blend with saffron, Syrup is meticulously stirred, achieving perfect balance.
Perfectly balanced syrup, the essence of Sweet Misti's irresistible juiciness, glistening appeal, unforgettable flavor.
Symphony of sweetness. Delicate rasgollas drop into boiling syrup, ready for transformation. Rasgollas magically expand, absorbing sweetness, swelling plump and spongy, a culinary marvel. Elegant cham-chams simmer in saffron syrup, slowly absorbing rich color and creamy texture.
Laddus meticulously mixed with roasted gram flour and golden ghee, hand-formed into iconic shapes.
Sweets bounce, expand, absorb flavors, coming alive in bubbling, fragrant liquids.
Sweets develop perfect melt-in-your-mouth texture, transforming into beloved delicacies. Magic happens here.
Perfectly cooked sweets transfer to pristine cooling conveyors, moving slow through controlled environment.
Gentle fans blow cool, clean air, stabilizing sweets' internal structure beautifully. Cooling locks flavors, ensures softness. Sweets subtly firm, setting as they glide.
Sweets emerge perfectly formed, cooled with precision, ensuring exquisite flavor and delicate softness.
Shimmering silver varak foil artfully applied to select sweets, creating a regal, festive look.
Saffron, silver leaf artistry completes royal look, enhancing Sweet Misti's irresistible appeal.
Decorated sweets move to automated packaging. Robotic machines gently place individual sweets.
Robotic machines gently place individual sweets into clear, custom-molded trays, pristine and undamaged. Each sweet tray instantly, hermetically sealed, preserving freshness, guaranteeing quality for consumers.
Conveyor belts carry sealed trays into beautifully designed boxes, preparing for final presentation.
Every package clearly displays Sweet Misti in bold, elegant lettering, reflecting premium quality.
Sweet Misti, fresh, soft, and juicy.
Outer cartons for secure transport, prominently labeled Sweet Misti on all sides.
Packaged Sweet Misti boxes transport to state-of-the-art, temperature-controlled cold rooms.
Vast, immaculate cold rooms maintain optimal conditions, ensuring perfect freshness, texture, and flavor.
Robotic forklifts stack Sweet Misti boxes onto pallets, neatly arranging them in organized rows.
Modern logistics protect confections. Sweets remain perfect, meticulously controlled, ideal conditions.
Sweets perfect until delivery. Gleaming Sweet Misti trucks load, ready for dispatch.
Spongy rasgolla lifted, a hand delicately takes it, hinting at immediate gratification and joy.
Camera lingers on each confection, revealing intricate details and tempting textures, inviting exploration.
Plump rasgollas softly bounce in shimmering, hot syrup.
Regal Rajbhog swell majestically, revealing saffron-filled sweetness within.
like hidden treasures.
Elegant chamcham drips sensuously with thick, clotted cream, their pink and white hues a feast for eyes.
Smooth, pure kheer sandesh, adorned with a toasted almond sliver, promises a melt-in-your-mouth experience. Golden laddus shine in warm ghee, granular surface sparkling like jewels, symbolizing traditional richness.
Rich, indulgent Malai sweets ooze thick, luscious milk, creamy layers stacked in decadent perfection.
Syrup slides languidly down a rasgola, intensifying the sensory experience, promising rich flavor.
Steam rises in delicate tendrils from a freshly prepared chamcham, enhancing its freshness and aroma.
Glossy textures reflecting golden light make each sweet an edible masterpiece, an art form.